Okay, it's recording.
Where's the sushi?
It was over there. Oh, wait. The other side.
So yeah, I thought this would be a good everyday look because I'm going grocery shopping.
Such a dork.
Don't talk. I don't have time to make sushi. So I guess I'll buy some cold glass. Ew, how much are they?
Should be a label on the thing.
No label. Oh, it's only like $5.
Not all of them.
We're good to go. Do you like my outfit of the day? People are staring. I'm getting scared.
No! Oh my god! That's my last roll of toilet paper! Ugh, why does this shit always happen to me? Oh my god. Somebody should not have taken it out of the little roll thing. And you know what? It wasn't me. You know who you are. AC! We are going to install a air conditioner. Look at that. Yeah! Girl power! Woo! We got half of it. Sushi! Yes! Go there!
How are you gonna angle this to your Yeah, I wanna get close to it.
When do the
Where is it? Oh. Dude, this is like in my kitchen. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Super metal. Ah! The sticky lip gloss! Now I have a mustache.
Come on, man.
I'm not hot.
Yeah, you are. You're very, very hot. Let's see. AC installation number 2.
What if we don't put it
Man is helping. Will he help or will it fall out?
We haven't this
And booty. Okay.
Should I pull the window down to secure it?
I'm being useless. Doo -doo -doo.